for today. L, M, and N are three parallel intersected parallel lines. L, M, and N are three parallel lines intersected by transversal P and Q such that I repeat, L, M, and N are three parallel lines intersected by transversal P and Q such that L, M, and N cut off equal intercepts AB, cut off equal intercepts AB, cut off equal intercepts AB, cut off equal intercepts AB and BC on P, AB and BC on P, full stop, show that L, M and N, cut off equal intercepts DE and EF on Q also. I repeat, L, M, and N are three parallel lines intersected by transversal P and Q such that L, M, and N cut off equal intercepts AB and BC on P show that L, M, and N cut off equal intercepts DE and BF on Q also. The question is clear? So there are three parallel lines here. Just draw three parallel lines and name them as L, M, and N. Can you see now? Three parallel lines. First parallel line, second parallel line, and third parallel line. These are three parallel lines. We can name them as L, M, and N. This is L, this is M, this is N. L, M, and N. Okay. This is one transversal. Okay. This is another transversal. So they are cut by this here, and this is cutting here at A, B, and C. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So it's cutting at A, B, and C, and this is what D, E, F. These are the points. This is point D, this is point E, and this is point F. D, E, F are these points here. Got it? The question says if this and this both these intercepts are equal, AB is equal to BC, AB and BC, this and this are equal, then you have to prove this and this are also equal. Got it? Is it okay? So write down, given three lines L, M, and N, given three lines L, M, and N are parallel to each other, comma, two transversals intercept these lines at A, B, and C, intercept these lines at A, B, and C, intercept these lines at A, B, and C, A, B, and C, and D, E, F, and D, E, F. This much is given. To prove, okay, one more thing is also given. Write down and given, add this also. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. To prove that, to prove that DE is equal to EF. To prove that DE is equal to EF, construction join AF, construction join AF. So you are having a given to prove construction. Now write down proof, PROOF proof. In proof write down, in proof write down point number 1, construction join AF intersecting M at G. Construction join AF intersecting M at G. Okay. Now write down proof point number 1. In triangle ACF, in triangle ACF and triangle AFD, and triangle AFD, B is the midpoint of AC, B is the midpoint of AC, B is the midpoint of AC. Reason is given. The reason is given. B is the midpoint of AC. Reason is given. Okay. Second point. Therefore, applying midpoint theorem in triangle ACF. 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 AG is equal to GF. AG is equal to GF. Reason is applying midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. This is the reason for this. Then you have in triangle AFD, in triangle AFD, in triangle AFD, AG is equal to GF and GE is parallel to AD. G is parallel to AD given. Therefore, applying midpoint theorem in triangle AFD. Midpoint theorem in triangle AFD. You apply midpoint theorem there. So if you apply midpoint theorem, what you will get? EF is equal to D. EF is equal to D. Okay, because you see this point is the midpoint here. So this and this both are equal. So here you in this triangle you see this line is parallel to this. So this is a triangle. Okay, so then this triangle you see this line is parallel to this. So if this is parallel to this, so these two should also be equal. See it once again. Three parallel lines are there, two transversals are there. This transversals, they are cutting at point A, and this is a point B, and this point is C, and this is D, and this point is E, and this point is F, where they're cutting. This point we have drawn by construction, we have joined this point is G. Now you take this triangle here, this and this are equal, it's given. So this line and this line are parallel. Whole line is parallel, so part is also parallel. So this is also parallel to this. This side and this side both are equal. So applying midpoint theorem, this and this should be equal. AG is equal to GF. Similarly, you see in this triangle here, you see this point is there. These two are equal again, and these. So what happens? This line is parallel to this. So you see this triangle from this side. So what happens? This line, this point is the midpoint here. These two are equal, and so this line is parallel to this given. So these two are also equal, and hence we come to a conclusion that DE is equal to EF. Okay. Hence we conclude that if three parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, and one transversal makes equal intercept, then any other transversal will also make equal intercept. Got it? Okay. Yes. So remaining we will take on next turn.